Hello, I got two quail and they are very nice bird to eat, and what we are going to do is we are going to grill them using the air fryer. So before we grill them, what you need to do is to make sure you pet dry them and using a small paper cloth, and make sure that that dry so that there will not be much moisture on them. Then once you pet dry this, either you can bake it like this without cut open it, because they are very small bird. The bird are like 250 gram each, and so very popular. So we are going to split it in the middle. So what we are going to do is we are going to cut open so that yeah, little bit bones there. Once you then you can use here. That's the breastbone. So break them, and once you break that, yeah, that's cut open on that one. And we are also going to cut along the breastbone so that so you can easily open this one. And so once you open this one, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some olive oil. So that little bit, you don't need too much. Anyway, I did a little bit too much. So olive oil, then wrap it with the salt. So wrap it with the salt, and see that and also, yeah, I put a little bit of cumin powder, and put a little bit of pepper, and once you put the pepper, I using this marinade so little bit of this is the Asian classic seasoning. So the once you do that, just wrap around it. I don't want too much there by they will be just good enough to taste them, and wrap them around so that with that they will nicely. This is a nice bird and ideal size. So for two people, one bird for one person, and deep frying also is very good. But we are going to grill it. And I shall show you, how that looking after we grill it. We have put the quail into the air fryer, so that is looking very good, and marinated with salt and black pepper and cumin powder and a little bit of seasoning. So we will initially set it grill for 20 minutes, and after that we will turn it and further grill for another 10 minutes, so it will be crispy and crunchy and tasty. Well, it has been grilled one side, so we are going to turn it on the other side and grill it for another 10 minutes. So far looking great and very good. You turn it on the other side now, so looking great, and so another 10 minutes of grilling should do great. The quail have been grilled very nicely, look great, and that is the end of the grilling process. Hello, that's a quail that has been grilled very nicely. You can see that, I can show you with the hand, very nicely done, and also that both of them have been very nice. I can show you that, this when you break it, see, look at that, very nicely done, very juicy inside, and so that is very nicely done. And also I can show you here, see, look at that, very nicely done, very good meat, very delicious. And thank you very much for watching this quail grilling process, and appreciate your watching this one, and also appreciate watching of the other channel of our YouTube channel, and also appreciate your subscription to our YouTube channel. Great, thank you.